Jason from Golf of America, man, and today got a little bit of a different video. I am doing an oil change on our 2016 Volkswagen Beetle, and of course to do an oil change you got to jack the car up. So I'm going to do a video showing y'all how to get your Beetle off the ground so you can get that oil change. So even like your smallest little jack isn't going to get under there, but I got a quick little hack for you. Grab an RV wheel leveling chalk and put the yellow side under your front driver's side tire. Now we're just going to drive up on it. Make sure you get your car in park and that parking brake set. First gear if it's a manual. Now we roll our floor jack and we're going to put it right there where that bolt is that holds the K-member on. Once your Beetle's at a desired height where you can access everything to change the oil, I just grab an extra little jack stand and I put that right under here. There are a lot of T25 bits that hold on that bottom cover. Check out the link in the description below so you can find that little ramp piece and so you can find something to put on your impact gun. So that way you can make this job quick, make this job safe. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so more people check it out. I made this video because I made a random video on jacking up my Silverado and it gets crazy views. So I figured, hey, you know what? Maybe there's more people out there looking for jacking content. Thanks a lot. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Bug on a mission, yeah, we line them at the light. They try to jump quick, but they fade out of sight. Door stay heavy when I leave them in the past. Little Beetle boosted, but it move like a blast from the line. Gone fast, no drama. VW bug got soul like a soft tail chopper.